Hey, yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Pre-Boy Slayer, and I'm trying to say, yeah, and we here at the Fashion Feed Podcast. You know the vibes, and I'm here with.
Hey yo, what's good, people? This is your boy D Jaspin in the building. Certified YouTuber, certified baddie, certified influencer, certified shimana, certified playboy, certified. So, on my social media platform is D Jaspin on YouTube. No, not on YouTube. On TikTok, Instagram. On YouTube is JP the Brutal. Do what you gotta do best, you know.
Yo, what's up? It's easy on the cam with you and all that. See no evil, talk no evil, and yeah, no evil, you know what I'm saying? Easy to alive, you can find me anyway. Easy to alive and all that. Let's get it.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Tammy. You're a Nigerian guy. You guys know now. You guys be the mode. Yeah, y'all niggas should follow me on IG. I just opened a new page and I need some followers. I need you guys' support and all that. The username is the Nomad full stop 444. Yeah, let's go.
As you can see, we here. We finna cook this shit up. You know, we be talking about spicy things. You feel me, type shit. And let me start with giving.
You know what I'm saying? We're in the building. You know, I'm with my boys. We're about to spice things up. Something, nothing too heavy, nothing too crazy. We want to just start off with something new. You know what I'm saying? So, in your perspective, who's the best? Which province is the best in terms of fashion? Let's start there.
Let me say something about that. We all know people are gonna be saying Josie, but nah, dog. Come to Durban, Faith. There's so much to explore, dog. Like Kuning in Faith, like a lot, dog. Let me give it to this guy.
Yo, like they're saying, like people from Josie on some, like, hey, Durban's got the worst trip. I heard those comments and all that shit, but bro, like if you come to Durban, bro, we all like there's pieces that Durban be rocking pieces and all that, but people are sleeping on us. Like it's not like swag, but it's like pieces. There are a lot of people like. The problem is like the people from Durban don't like be taking pictures, like, you know, you feel me? But when it comes to swag, nah, we there, like for real, like we there, like shout out to everybody, you're like on tapping with swag and all that shit. Like you must not be thinking now because of Josie and all, nah, bro. Durban is there, like it's there.
I mean, I could say it's an everyday thing, too. Like being honest, like we don't trip just for like cameras and shit like that, going for a post and that. We do it every day, dog. I mean, too, look at us, dog. Okay, we want some calm shit.
Y'all niggas heard what the baby said? What he said again? What's his lyrics in his song? Post my drip on daily just so they can see. My nigga be posting his drip daily just so they can see, bro. Haters gonna hate, niggas gonna hate. Envy, y'all niggas, that's actually the fucked up part. Cause no, that is on some serious shit, bro. That is, I swear to God, guy, for Nigeria, if you enter Nigeria, but yeah, if you guys watch streaming and all that, you guys will know Kataife Machala. That's the mad streamer. That's the problem about Durban. Actually, getting into this topic, ne? Like, bro, Durban people just be hating. That is like they can't like collaborate and like rise up and all that shit so they can be at the top. They just be hating and envying each other and all that. What you guys got to say about that, bro?
Hey, bro, I've been quiet for a while, but I'm gonna lie to you, bro. Dog, I'm not gonna lie to you. Durban is a lot of creators, bro. Okay, let me say underground creators. But in Durban, my perspective, a creator is someone who is doing YouTube, not TikTok. I'm not attacking anyone. If you're a creator, come to YouTube. I know TikTok and Instagram is easy to gain views and followers, but
Instagram is a bit tougher though.
A bit, but compared to YouTube, that's if you're a YouTuber and you're getting a minimum of 1K views on a daily basis, it's tough because YouTube is not easy. YouTube is not for the weak. But the issue we have here is we'll do a lot of collaboration with people. We'll ask them, let's collaborate, guys, because we want to grow together. At the end of the day, this is a community. As Aaron said, there's no community in Durban. We try to create a community in Durban, they'll be on some, we can't collaborate with those small creators. Now, we know we're small, but we're trying to grow together.
We small, but we're not humbled by. Okay, should I say that? Should I?
Bro, at the end of the day,
they got humbled, bro. Like by who?
Guys,
means.
I know y'all niggas might be seeing like, y'all niggas be, I'm sure in the comments you're like, why the fuck they using their phone and all that shit, bro? We know that shit. We know all the big streamers and all that. Shout out to all the OGs in the game, but it's time to pass up the game to the champions. You know what I'm saying, man? No. It's cool.
No, I'm sorry. Nigga, I was focusing like I was checking the views and all that shit. Like the way you say that shit, no, that was tough. Shout out to you though, like for real.
Now, but
I
he's so
can't.
hard that he couldn't think nice.
If you wanna hate, just hate. That's your cup of Joe. Yeah, if you wanna hate, that's your cup of Joe, my nigga. We ain't got nothing to do about it.
Yeah, and the thing is, like, what's going on in Durban that people don't know about us and all that shit? Like, that's the topic. Like, I wanna know, like, what's going on in Durban that people don't know about us?
Let me tell you, Durban have so many things, dog.
Bro,
Vitu,
why go to Cape Town and Joburg when Durban is the place to be?
Vitu,
People
that's
are
why you're
They
humble.
can have everything, but we have the motion.
Imagine.
That is, we have the motion. We have the vibes and everything. We have the motion, bro.
Question is, why do everyone from Joburg and Cape Town come to Durban on December?
That's my question. That's the question.
Why don't you go from whether from Limpopo? Okay. Let me not say that,
No,
ne?
we're not attacking
You're not
anyone.
attacking, ne?
Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Eastern Cape, Western Cape. Why come down here in December?
Durban, December. Why don't you come here frequently? Actually,
Exactly my point.
Durban is so much. Okay, we got baddies that are like don't even know about, bro.
Let's talk
About baddies.
baddies. Let's talk about that. Like, Durban's like, shout out to all the pretty girls there in Durban, but the problem is, Durban Hans, the inside the house, those are some wifey shit. You feel me?
Why would say clock it?
Yeah, you feel me? Those are some wifey shit. Like,
Get married, come to Durban.
pull up in Durban, but if you wanna have fun, go to Josie and shit. Like,
Even though you're married already, just come to Durban and leave your husband. That's it.
I'm not attacking anyone, right? But they say the dogs are from PTA. Then it's Joburg. Then if you want Makotis, see, Nabo, my materials, come to Duban. 031.
3-1 ngekutshela ntwana. Where you have to say sawona mama. Yo, ntwana. You still want to hit them with that line, ntwana? You are married.
Unjan Baba.
Hey. I'm telling you, dog. I'm telling you,
You will
bro.
just melt. It will just melt. And then once you start speaking the clan names, yo, she's melting, bro.
You see, okay, me, I'm not a Zulu though, but like I was born here.
You know what I'm saying?
No, where you from?
I'm Congolese, bro. I'm from the DRC of Congo, bro.
yeah, I'm from Congo, from the motherland.
You know what they say about Congolese niggas, bro? But we won't say much.
You know, where you from?
Bro, y'all niggas know, bro. Come on. The giant of Africa, bro. Nigeria. I beg, Nigeria. Guys, do you guys know about like coming to Nigeria in December? That's actually another motion. That is.
Really?
Yeah. Word.
There's an underground place, bro. I'm from Cameroon. My mother's from Tanzania. Wait, do you know Tanzanian hands, dog? You know Zanzibar, bro?
Nigeria.
Do you know Zanzibar hands? They get.
Check now, wait now.
Hey, man, give me that one. Hey, they be shaking that butt, innit? Some bamba klanya.
Bomba clad. But anyways, bro, back to our serious business, bro. We're going off guard, bro. Off topic, dog. People need to know. Name your top 5 fashionists in Durban. Let's be honest now.
Okay, let me start, ne?
There's no beef. We're just speaking balls.
I would shout out. Should I say this name here? Should I say?
Bro,
I mean, I fuck with you, dog. I mean, you're drip tough, innit? Least, let me say that, bro. Shout out.
Shout out to my boy, Lishu. Shout out to my boy.
And then I could say, you know, we got the masterpiece here.
Oh shit.
Easy to fly.
Oh shit. Bro, like I'm just trying, but what the fuck? But yo, like nigga, like, well, I appreciate that shit, like, and all that. But the problem is, like, bro, the drip in Durban, bro, like, we gotta show to like the world the drip in Durban. Not even the world, like at least let's start in South Africa and all that, because there are a lot of creators like in Josie, like their shit is popping out. But there's a lot of people like even JP and all that here, bro. The East Drip is fly, like for real.
shout out.
Like East Drip is fly.
Shout out, though.
Yeah, you know, y'all are sleeping on him.
I'm trying my best, guys.
Y'all are sleeping on him. Y'all are sleeping on me and all that shit. Y'all are just.
Sun kiss in it.
So that's what I wanted to say. And
Niggas about to order a farm right now, bro. But we not there, though.
We not there, really. I mean, fair too. Yeah, he's the master.
No,
Master of nonchalante.
What?
Not order farm, nonchalante.
Nigga can literally go to a club. Go to a club and order fam, boy.
You just do.
But like, what do you guys think about those niggas or bitches that be like, I'm a screw.
No, whoa.
What you guys think about that?
What am my mama, bro? I don't know why Zulu niggas think we are Zulu. Bro, I'm being honest here, bro. Why we screws? Why we screws? Bro, that means we can't dress, bro.
Bro, like I got something to say about that shit. Like every time when a nigga dress, it's not about us trying to impress people, it's about how we feel and all that shit. I can rock something like that, that's how I feel. You can't be seeing me on the way and out of nowhere you telling me
Screw.
I'm a screw, oh niggas.
They're not
bro.
know us, bro.
And the other thing is, if a girl see you dressed like that, like let me say like South African girls, when they see you dressed like that, be like, nah, bro, I'm a screw. Like what you mean by that? Like you disagreeing me on some Thai shit, you feel me?
Leave
so,
that.
Like,
You know what they say? You know what they say mostly?
So that's what I wanted to say though. Like,
Gay part. That's I don't like that part.
Which
Just because a nigga look good doesn't mean he's gay. That's one thing. You know when you wear like some not like a screw when you wear like baggy pants and shit like that, or you got like some earpiece thing or something. Chiki, I might be like, hey, stop it. Doesn't mean you're gay, bro. No, most of the niggas, let's be honest. Most of the niggas, like the moment you have like some little piercing on your ear or some shit like that, or wearing good, or dressing up on some flash shit, they'll be telling you, hey, taba and shit like that. Nah, dog. Just tell me that I look
some
good.
people who wanna rock that shit, but the problem is they're scared of the community. How
And the
they,
environment they're in, and
bro, like,
the way.
bro, just dress how you wanna dress and all that shit. If you're not the person that people think you is, bro, feel comfortable, dress how you wanna dress and all that shit. Like you can rock a Timberland on the early morning, 6 o'clock, 8 p.m. Nigga, it's on you, bro. Like don't ever disagree yourself like with other people and all that. And we gotta stop that thing when you're seeing a guy rocking fashion, you calling him a screw and all that shit. Like, bro, we all the same and all that. You know, you can't compete me with no. We do the most. What you mean we do the most? Like, we do the most. What you talking about? Like, that's what I want you to say,
bro. Okay, there's a difference between how we dress and screws, bro. For the fact that for those people who say that we are screws. In the comment section, please define your definition of a screw. And my chat is, bro, I don't know what a screw is.
I think.
What is a screw?
I think for them a definition for them.
Definition of screw. Josie niggas, la peepees.
Okay, what is I got two questions. What is a screw and la tweezy? What they define?
No, I think it's the same.
Let me say the La Suzy partner. The La Suzy partner.
Define me on that shit. La tweezy or screw? Like what is those things?
Okay, you
Bro,
see,
like,
né?
wait, before you explain that, me the first time I got approached, it was actually a girl. I was just passing by and then she was like, screw, bro. The first time I heard that shit, I thought like she was singing a song. You know what I mean? Like, screw, bro. I swear to God, bro. I thought she was singing a song and I was vibing when I was like, yeah. She feels me, she knows the game. And I was like, screw. What the fuck? After that, later on, niggas be explaining to me, to be like, my nigga, that's not the meaning of screw. Screw is like when you're wearing good and all that shit. Like, for them, it's
Like
I
a
don't
dissing
know.
way.
Yeah, for them.
Like a dissing way. You see all the tweezy, né? Those niggas who they feel like those niggas who wear those fur type of thing, you know, they feel like it's a weird type of drip. Yeah. Like his type, let me say. Not really, but like that's a little tweezy for them. And then screw niggas are those one who put their pants on their under their butt, showing their trunks, wearing those Tupac t-shirts. Okay. Yeah, but so they're trying to refer as that's screw for them, yeah, bro. So now we're doing fashion though. We're doing fashion.
Somebody who grew up from the urban, something like that, like the real definition of.
Yeah, I'm a cheese boy. They call them I'm a cheese boy.
I'm a cheese boy. Yeah. Okay, question is, ne?
You got the game.
Okay, we broke, right? Right? Would you rather have AIDS or have a baby? We broke. Remember that. Put this in your brains. We broke.
About what?
Are you referring that we broke or
like we all broke?
He's saying, let's say we broke.
Or let's say
yeah.
We can't be.
I'm just saying. I did say. Oh, yeah. We broke. This is an example. We broke. Okay. It's either you have AIDS or have a child. Decide.
AIDS is another thing because it's all about me though. But like a kid, I prefer having a kid though.
My guy, me I go have my baby. You will find a way. He will find a way to survive, my nigga. AIDS? Nah, my nigga. Trying to tell me I ain't getting coochie? My nigga, that's crazy. That's mad, bro. That's crazy, bro.
Okay,
He gonna survive. He's gonna find a way, my guy.
You know the answer. I'm having a kid, bro. Like for real. I'm having a
baddie
kid
though, like-
with a baddie, of course. Like, bro, it's not about age, nah. But the problem is, nah, we can't be doing that and all that shit. But I'm gonna have that kid, nah. Like, what about you?
Bro, and like niggas be having like sex without condom, bro. Niggas be having sex without condom. South Africa is literally like
The highest in the
world when it
world.
comes to HIV and AIDS and all this shit, whatever it is, sex sickness and all the infections. That's crazy, bro. Eh?
Like Conjohnny, dog. Like
And bitches still wanna act hot.
Bro, I'd rather have a kid, bro, at this point, because at the end of the day,
Say it.
What the fuck is this Sean nigga, bro?
yeah, this Sean is everywhere, dog. This
No.
girls won't get you the bag, dog. Lock him, bro. But yeah, bro, I'd rather get the child because at the end of the day, that child can be a gift for you in the future. It's a blessing at the end of the day. Because you the same nigga, you open your pants, you went in down there. But my question is, why are you going school though?
No, wait, okay. Wait. There's a thing of school. Let's be honest, guys. Let me say something about school.
I still have my V card, so I wouldn't know all of that. Just so
I'm
you
up.
guys know.
Are you okay? But either way, I want to say something. There's something about school, Twana. Like, there's a thing. Okay, let's talk about that. Actually, I wanted to ask, ne? So I even forgot now. Kai.
Life is
Guy, you don't call us.
you guys. Not gonna lie, Durban is beautiful. Not gonna lie to you, Durban is very beautiful. We just need to put Durban on the map because there's name one big artist from overseas who came down here besides before 2010. Before 2010. Now let's go after 2010.
I heard about this guy called Chico Bean. Chico, he's in USA. Like he does wild out.
But it's from South Africa though.
No, he's from USA. He came to South Africa.
No, like I'm talking about Durban though, specifically Durban now.
Hey,
You see?
that's what I know.
Nah, I think I don't know if because AKA okay, Buffett RIP too. Shout out to that nigga there, RIP Buffett. I don't know if it's because of AKA or some shit like that. Cause of it too, I don't know. This thing is being serious though. It's like imagine even Speed didn't come there. Okay, not like we saying that he had to come here.
Why they didn't come down? Like,
Why not, dog? Nigga literally went to Zimbabwe, dog. Like literally went to all these countries.
But I actually think that's like a good point. Like he didn't come here because what if we got humbled like some other niggas from Josie? I don't wanna. My nigga, the chat knows. Y'all niggas should spam that shit in the comments. Y'all niggas know. I ain't saying no names.
I don't know that.
You know, and the nigga was trying to play it cool, bro. The nigga was
You saw that shit though?
And he's like, I got humbled by Speed. The nigga
Nigga.
was posting that shit.
Yeah, like he's trying to like bounce back. Okay, you know this nigga here is the guy there from Kobaba. I don't wanna say his name. Shit. Okay, he said I didn't say it though, but then this other nigga, you know that white nigga.
Who cares, bro? Be honest,
All
dog.
of us said
Okay.
Don't go around the bush. At the end of the day, it's on
All
social
of
media.
us said
Who's that white nigga? The Mozambique guy. Don't like with hair. The white one who is like a bird skin Kenyan. Like I don't know what happened to his skin.
Domingos.
That nigga said something as in like at least he got humbled by Speed, and then he said something like he became more. Or what's this again?
Short version of him. Yeah, you know, actually we have a Speed twin also. You know, Speed on his streams he has two these things. One was in Ethiopia and the other one was from Zimbabwe. Yeah, we got one in Durban. So yeah, IShowSpeed.
Can you call him?
IShowSpeed.
Sorry,
My guy, short guy.
Sorry.
Chance Media. Can you call IShowSpeed, please?
Can you pop up on the
Can you pop
camera
up on the
for like
camera,
for a few
please?
seconds?
The chat are trying to see you.
Yeah, come inside.
Say what up, chat. Say what up, chat.
What up, chat? What up, chat?
Yeah, introduce yourself.
How's it, guys? I'm Surprised Mapumulo from South Africa, and yeah, what's going on?
Tell them that you're expecting Speed.
Yeah, bro, Speed, pull up, bro. We down in KZN, bro. Come on, come have some fun at the O's, bro. Pull up.
Durban, actually. Say
Durban. Pull up to Durban.
IShowSpeed, actually.
Why you didn't come? Like, how you feel about that? Like,
Why did
Like, because we went to Joburg randomly. We went to go to Cape Town.
That's a good question.
why you didn't come? Like,
If it was on him, I feel like that's a bit swag of him. But if it was on his people that were telling him where to go,
It's definitely not him. I'm sure it's his managers and people.
so if it's on them, I reckon, hey, bah, they need to low-key, like set something right, bro. You know, and he also needs good people in his life right now. Because if he's not coming to Durban, I have no idea what he's doing, bro.
Fan base of IShowSpeed.
That's what I'm doing.
Word.
That's what I'm saying.
People are talking about Durban like we're so low, we're not supporting each other.
We have no motion.
What do you think about what do you think about that?
What's your perspective why Durban don't support each other? I'm sure you heard Ashot Aaron. There's no community in Durban compared to Joburg.
Like, okay, what's going on? What's going on?
Let me simplify it quickly. In Durban, everyone's moving on their own. That's the way I can say it.
In Durban,
We have like let me simplify it. Everyone has such a huge ego that they think they're better on their own. But look at yours right now sitting here together. Yours are literally making it happen.
yeah, true.
Think about it. You know? And then now you look outside, people are literally walking in twos, in ones, and it's like, you know, shit's not really happening. But when you guys put your minds together, then shit happens.
What would you say like to change that?
That vision of people's mindsets.
I think we need to change a lot of things, especially about the hangouts in Durban.
And how are we gonna start that by bringing Speed here, right?
Bro, speak and pull up to my posy, bro. No, Jen. No, you can just pull up. We have a huge house. You can just come and just chat. Even yours, bro.
Yeah.
Whenever yours want to film some shit, just message me.
Take your tins. Actually, let me like.
Now we get that shit. We call you to our crib actually. We can call you to our crib too. Yeah, we can do that
We
shit.
can be vice versa, you know.
Yeah,
You see, this is how shit happens.
yeah.
You see, this is how shit happens, bro. This is how shit happens.
Like what I wanted to know, like how can I say, to change that mindset of everybody and all that shit in
What
Durban.
should we do first?
What should we do?
We're gonna
like,
try to take the
before-
responsibility.
Before we listen to any other people like in Cape Town or Josie, what should we do to change that mindset of Durban and all that shit? Like, so we can all focus like, hey, let's change this shit. Like, let's change. Because like, how can I say? There's other people who's gonna be watching this shit and be like, nah, I don't want to subscribe to them and all that shit. Like, nah, you know, like oral and all that shit. So how can we do like to change that shit?
Bro, if I'm being honest, bro, it's the hangout situation. It's generally the hangout situation. Like, if you think about it, you know, everyone wants to get their own shit done, which is not wrong, you know, don't get me wrong. It's nice to get your shit done, you know, but in order to make Durban look good, we gotta be together, bro.
But for example, Ligmas is representing us in Joburg. He's from Durban.
Exactly.
He had no support, but people are just, you know.
Exactly.
He went to Joburg right now. Right now he's on 1 million followers.
Why niggas from Durban, when they going up there, but they decide to go Joburg? That's
Because
the thing.
Joburg is the place where there's connections and bonds. And in Joburg, everyone supports each other, regardless who you are. What you
Let's change that. Let's do that this side too.
That's what I want to know from you.
That's what I'm saying. Okay.
The problem is the hate and envy, bro. Y'all niggas don't gotta spread hate and envy. We brothers. Now I'm saying word.
Exactly. To simplify it, bro, like, I've never specifically been to Joburg. I've never left the airport. But I think Joburg people have such a huge movement in a way where it's like, hey, bro, you always know a certain amount of people are going to be at a certain place at a certain time.
Yeah, that's true.
You know? In Durban, if you try to do that, you're not going to get anywhere.
Nobody will pull up.
Exactly.
Like, nobody will pull up. Like there's other time that I organized like a boxing match. Everybody was posting there, like posting there. We do promotes everything and all that. Then when it comes to that day, bro,
Like a 20% pull.
20%, bro. And the worst thing, it's girls who's like supporting and shit. Like they're the one who's pulling up. But niggas on some like,
Nah, buddy.
why should I come there on that shit, bro? The problem is,
It's not if you want to gain out of it.
because if one pulls up like take the head out of Durban, bro, we gonna represent Durban and all that shit. You feel me?
saw when Josie niggas came.
That's how it is. You know, the new gene, they representing Josie and all that. And
Let me actually say something. This guy just said something valid. I think there's a huge movement in Durban where the thing of like, when people hang out, they try to gain something out of it.
Yeah. I did say.
You know? Which is a poor mentality of living life. You
the
know?
worst thing is, Durban's niggas on some like, if you organizing something, you must always bring baddies.
Yeah, they want baddies. Where the mom is at? Where the mom? Why?
Bro, the baddie, no, not every time gotta be the baddies, bro. Like, bro,
That's what I'm saying.
And also, you saw when the boxing match for thingy for the Josie niggas when they came, everyone literally pulled up. Like it was a whole squad. People came from Joburg.
Everyone just pulled up to one location.
I could see what they were doing. You could see they were trying to do like a not like a collaboration though. Yeah, some shit like that. And then niggas from Durban that we like with Longwood, like they went there. Matter when it was ours for this nigga, they didn't pull up.
It's a thing of trying to gain something, bro. You know?
Yeah.
This nigga said it like specifically like, every time you're trying to host something, bro, I'm not gonna be like swag, you know. But if I'm being like deadass, like with like generally, like if I'm being honest, hey, bro, homies are always just worried about the baddies, bro. You know, and the thing is, let me say something. And the thing is, like, every time you're gonna try and hang out and host something, hey, bro, it's like, come on, bro. It doesn't always have to be about women.
Not about women, coochie, bro. Coochie.
That's the problem. That's
The problem is coochie.
Bro, we hosted another house party and all that.
Imagine.
Days, bro.
became
We hosted like we hosted another like house party and all that shit. Bro, it was a big fest on that shit. And when they came there, like they were expecting only mommies and shit. Like, well, it was the mommies, and most of the niggas just went out and all that. Bro, they couldn't even have fun and all that shit because there was no mommies, bro. Bro, why? The problem is, I'm getting pissed off because why Durban always have to worry about mommies and all that, where you can help another nigga out without mommies, bro.
Nah, you see, where the part that was really like not confusing, not a bad way, nah. Niggas were selling tickets for the entrance and shit. Cause like we booked the house and all that, yeah, bro. Niggas literally came, bought the ticket, went inside for like let's say 30 minutes or something, and then there's no vibe, there's no baddies. Niggas want the money back for tickets. Like, dog, we supporting each other. We literally like bought like we booked the house for like the day.
Fuck.
I'm telling you.
Appreciate, bro.
Fucking dripped out, bro. Where the fuck did you even get this, bro?
Bro, this shit was a gift from a baddie.
Fuck, nah, that's tough, bro.
Like, speaking of baddies, bro, I mean, they're all that, and they're not all that at the same time. Baddies, if y'all listen to this, you guys are all that. But if y'all not, then you guys are not all that. At the same time, like they're not like the main shirt, you know. At the same time, they are though. I don't know how to explain the shit, but they understand it though.
I'm picking up what you're putting down. Let me run away.
Alright, bro.
No, what?
Shut up, man.
No, only one more question. I'll go one more question. One more question is, what's the difference between girls from Durban and Josie?
Let me actually simplify that quickly.
Yeah.
There's a difference between girls from Durban and girls from around the world. Girls from Durban think they. Girls from Durban, like I don't know what it is, but there's something about you guys that you guys think you'll deserve the world. If you guys look at if you just look at the world, it doesn't revolve around you guys. You guys gotta actually understand that every time you hang out with a whole bunch of people, it's not about you. Like you gotta actually understand, you know. If you look at girls that are from out the country, they got such a different mindset. You know, when they meet up with people, they're not just meeting up and be like, oh, you know, that guy's handsome and this and that.
And bets. You can't tell me you're a Durban girl and we haven't ate guinea. I'm sure you guys ate guinea before. Has to. They have
every
to.
day.
When they be with you, they be like, niggas out. But like, seriously though, bro, like, most of them, they're going to school. Okay, let me not say most, right? But like, a lot of them, like, they're going to school, bro. They're buying Zulu burgers. They actually, bro, on God, on my mama, bro. I don't know. I don't normally like eat that shit, but I got it through them. That's how I actually came to know about it, like Zulu burgers and all that.
You see what the
And when you go out with them, they want you to take them to like Morningside, Umhlanga, and all that shit.
I wanna see that shit. Chiki, from eating Zulu burgers every day, ne? You want? Oh, what's up, babe? Can you please take me like to like Florida? Fuck that, bro. Like,
White girls from here and all that always attracted with niggas who got cars, preferring people who got cars and all that. Like preferring people who got cars, but they don't like rock with niggas who like trying for their life and all that shit. Like you see a nigga who's walking.
You wanted the channel. Oh, okay.
Oh, you see.
Shout out for the subscription, but yeah, we did.
Yeah. You see a nigga like why? Listen, the question is why girls from Durban love niggas with cars the most. If a nigga pull up with a car to like charm you, they go for that. But if a nigga walking and all that shit, like bro, like they don't take them like that. What's going on? Like,
No, the statement is powerful. You know why, bro?
I don't blame them though.
I low-key don't blame them, but at the same time, there's no way. I low-key don't blame them. The second part is, it's not our fault that your parents don't raise you the way they want you to be, or your life. Because after matric, right, it's your own life. Your parents, okay, 99.9% of parents, they make sure they have education. After matric, it's up to you now, because now it's your life and your education. It depends how you work on your matric. So my chat is They should never expect a guy with a car to be all that.
Lapo, your father has no car. Like his whole life he's taking taxis. Chiki what? Indota must have a car. Indota must.
But for real though, they should.
Honest, though.
Majority of the hands or days, if you're driving a car, they're automatically bagging them. Why though? Because that's some